Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manchopagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Tambisi see another opportunity to Kapsile into going on the date with him. And it seems like Mtambisi is interested on Kapsile. And Kapsile has a gap of getting love and support when Kunze refused to go on the adult soccer player and Kapsile is bored on the soccer player tournament. While Lisbo got the advice of Hlelo to go to be a volunteer on the old soccer player tournament, and Mrs. Gwala advised her sons to make an honest woman out of Nosipho, while Mrs. Madlala knew her style attracts the wrong attention. He attracts the young man and he picked Mrs. Madlala on the stop, and Mrs. Madlala become scared when the man passed through on Wanjomane, and Madongwe tries to call Madlala, but the phone does not available. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.